Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica and today I'm going to be sharing with you a recipe that I made recently in my Power Cooker Plus, often referred to as a Instapot. National Chili Day is this week, so I thought it would be fitting to share this video with you. So the first thing that I'm going to do is measure out my beans. For this recipe, I am going to use 3 cups of beans, and then I'm going to clean them out. Beans do tend to have rocks in them, so I want to make sure to get all of the rocks out, and then any bean that is split in half, I will also be taking out. Next, I'll be giving my beans a good wash before I place them into the pot. Now I'm going to go ahead and add water to my beans, and I did end up using a total of 8 cups of water for the 3 cups of beans. I'm going to go ahead and salt my beans and then give it a good stir. After this, I will cover the pot up and put it to cook for 30 minutes. I'm going to cook it for 30 minutes alone with no additional spices or turkey meat. You want to make sure to lock the pressure cooker and also close the pressure release valve. Now you will locate the beans and lentil setting, and I will push that 3 times so that I can cook this for a total of 30 minutes. The pot is now pressurizing, and once it's done pressurizing, it will automatically begin to cook for the 30 minutes. While the beans are cooking, I am going to cut up the onions and tomatoes that I will be using as part of my recipe. I'll be using half of a purple or red onion, however you prefer to refer to it, and then a whole red tomato. By this time, the 30 minutes of cooking have elapsed, and I'm going to go ahead and release the pressure release valve. Be really careful when you do this because you can burn yourself. The pressure is actually pretty intense and it's really hot. You will notice that this red valve will completely drop when the lid is ready to be opened. I've since added in the onions and tomatoes, and now I'm going to go ahead and add the spices. The first thing that I'm going to add is a red chili sauce that my mother-in-law actually brought to me when she was visiting. I'm going to use this sauce in place of chili powder, which is what I would normally use. Now I'm going to add in paprika, cumin, and minced garlic. Final step was to add in the turkey meat. So now that we have all of the ingredients in the pot, we are going to go ahead and cook this for another 30 minutes, just like we did at the beginning of the video. And 30 minutes later, we open the pot and have a steamy pot of chili beans, all in just 1 hour. So I hope this video inspires you to go out and try different recipes in your Instapot. This is actually one of my favorite household appliances to cook with in the kitchen. So give it a try. Everyone makes chili differently. This is just the version that I made today, but it was delicious, and we actually ate it for 3 to 4 days after this video was filmed. If you want to see more videos like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, if you have not subscribed, please press that subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd like to get to know you.